Welcome back. This video is about another Volvo accessory, and today I will be replacing the stock shifter on my Volvo XC70. This is the stock shifter that came with the car from the factory. It's fully leather, no fancy stuff here, and there is other three options available. Leather with wooden inserts on the sides. There is leather with aluminum inserts on both sides of the shifter. And my choice was the R-Design perforated leather with stitching, which will, in my opinion, best fit my R-Design steering wheel, which also has perforated leather and stitching. Link to the installation video of the steering wheel will be on the screen at the end of the video. Take a look. The condition of my shifter is pretty good. I have low mileage on the car, except one notch on top. There's a little scratch on the shifter itself, and actually one person contacted me if it's available because his shifter was in pretty worn out condition. This is the photo that he sent me. So he got my shifter and it's already been shipped out overseas. I wanted to answer a common question that I get. Do I have plans to retrofit the new shifter style on my Volvo? And the answer is no. In my personal opinion, I don't like how the new shifter looks on the pre-restyled Volvo. So no plans to replace the shifter to the new style. Let's get to it and unpack the shifter itself. This is the part number, made in Slovakia. Let me tell you that the shifter is high quality. It's built very nice. The stitching is straight, the leather is very nice. I couldn't see any defects. It's perfect. You also get in the box printed out instructions, which is pretty thick paper, and I'm gonna show you a few pages here. But installation is very easy and will take you only a couple of minutes of your time. Let's take a last look at the old shifter versus the new, and let's get to it. This is the only tool that you will need, a small flathead screwdriver. And first you need to unscrew this decorative lock mechanism. You need to turn it clockwise and it just drops down. The handle is locked in place by two plastic catches. You need to pry it out, press the button on the shifter and then pull up. So pry out, press and up. Just like that. Here's a closer look of the two catches, and for me just prying out on one side did the trick. Another close look at both shifters for comparison, and here's the damage that you can see on my original shifter. Very small scratch on the leather there. Installation is in reverse. What I did is I've detached the lock ring, put it on, and then you need to first of all press on the shifter button and only then put it on the stick shift. So the catches are engaged. Now counterclockwise lock the lock ring. Now we can test function the shifter. I'm gonna start the car and try to shift. And it works as it should. To complete the R-Design look on my Volvo, in the next video I will be installing the sport pedals, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.